Hey guys, so we are back with another video. Now this video is for educational purposes to show you guys what's out there. Now this is a pair of an Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 cream white. Is the latest V2 released by Adidas. Now this has been the V2 the Adidas has made the most stock of. It was released this past Saturday, and I believe that in Adidas USA they put up 36,000 pairs. Even though they uploaded 36,000 pairs, I still wasn't lucky enough to cop a pair, even though I had 3 computers, like 3 phones and 3 iPads. Whoever copped, congrats, but we had to turn to a second option. This is a size 8, as we can see here, a regular box. Now this pair has like 2 colors. It's like a white and off-white, like white cream. And then if you look really closely, you can still see like the stripes that most V2 has, and also like the print of the Supply 350. It's really hard to see, but you can still kind of see it there. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but to be honest, it's a really clean shoe. Like, you really stand out, especially for the summer season. Here we see, and you can also you see patterns that the prime of the zebra and beluga has, like lines and all that. You'll be able to see it more at the end of the video. I have a UV test, which is pretty awesome, so stick around and watch the whole video. Here we see the bottom, that it's almost as a cream color that the zebra had also. And here you can really, like, it's really hard to see, but you can see how like there's a pattern of like the zebra. It's really hard to see, but you'll know what I'm talking about once I show the UV test. And one surprising thing was that the boost was incredible. I think this pair had the best boost of any unauthorized pair of Yeezys I've had. You can see here how like squishy it is. Put pressure on it, so really satisfying. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.